Hey, welcome to my newest listing here at 19 Elizabeth Street, here in the Long Hill part of Trumbull. It's a great spot. It's conveniently located. We're so close to the schools, the parks, the shopping, and the highways. I happen to know this area really well because I lived not too far from here when I started back in 1989 when I bought my first house. I know this family really well. They bought this house in 1999 from a builder named Jim Vargas. They're starting to retire and they're heading down south. They're moving to the Carolinas, but I want you to come and take a look at this house. I actually coached their son in Pop Warner football. But listen, come inside this house, take a look. Hope you like the tour. Come on in. So here we are, we're in the formal living room. They got beautiful oak floors throughout this whole main level. Built-in bookshelves, natural stone fireplace, recessed lighting, a lot of really new, really nice amenities. Wow, look at this updated kitchen. I mean, the cabinetry has all been redone, nice granite counters, beautiful island, glass tile backsplashes, undermount sink, stainless appliances. Really beautiful. What a perfect family room. Cathedral ceilings, nice decorative ceiling fan, sliding glass doors out to the deck, oak floors, lots of big windows, very sun-filled room. What a great dining room, it's formal. Again, oak floors, crown and chair rail moldings throughout. Large bay window, again, lots of sun, and it overlooks the tranquil yard. There's hundreds and hundreds of acres of open space and walking trails back there. We call that the valley here in Trumbull. What an office. Oh my, I mean, they had these, Mary and Paul put these custom built bookshelves and cabinets in here. Again, you've got the beautiful oak floors and look at that ceiling. It's like, looks like it's copper. Perfect for a home office, amazing. The upper level has 4 generously sized bedrooms, each with ample closet space. There's also a second hookup for a washer and dryer up on this level as well. Master bedroom, large walk-in, full bath. This house has it all.
Jay, again?
Oh man, you know the story with this exercise equipment and me. I don't know, it's a sickness. But listen, down here we've got, oh gosh, maybe around 600 square feet of professionally finished living space with a walkout, you know, recessed lighting, lots of closet space, washer and dryer down here as well. There's also a half a bathroom. Just a really great spot for the kids to hang out. So listen, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Paul and Mary's house here at 19 Elizabeth Street. They've been here since 1999 and they've absolutely loved living here. It's been a wonderful family home, but it's that time in their life now where they're going to start moving south and maybe someplace a little bit warmer. But listen, thank you again for coming on this tour. Hope you enjoyed it and hope to hear from you. Have a great day.